and welcome back to our channel. Nikki here. So I'm in the garage and my bike is here. So I need to touch up on the tire paint because it's ugly now. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I did wash it yesterday, but I need to polish it and you know, shine up the wheels a little bit so we can look nice. It's been raining today, so I won't be riding, but I just like to take this time out to do some maintenance and see what's going on, check the fluids and all of that. So I'm gonna show y'all, so sit back, relax, grab your cocoa and Lego. And I'm just using chalk paint. They have the one that washes off from AutoZone. I mean, not AutoZone. Oh, they do have these at AutoZone, but Amazon too. And this is just an auto marker. I don't care for this color, which is why I went to Michael's and got the oil-based chalk paint. So either one works. This one's washable and this one's more like permanent kind of. So yeah. And my tires and everything is already washed and prepped. Sides. Hi, Poo. Oh, what is doing this? Now I think I'm gonna take. Oh, wait. I'm using that. Hold on. No, I think I'm gonna take these off, possibly. But this is what I got so far. So I do the front, and then I'll be done. Well, not done. I'll have to do the treads. So the front is done as well, both sides. I think I need to, I saw a spot that I didn't like. And then the back, both sides are done. My dad's watching, he's watching, my dad's watching cooking shows. So if you hear that in the background, that's what it is. Alright, so I'm working on the tires. Now, I'm using fabric paint only because the acrylic, it cracks. So this one's softer. So hopefully that will be easier. And I would use the same chalk paint, but my tires are kind of narrow. So it's hard for me to like evenly get in the groove without wasting so much product, and like they're really deep. So it's hard for the brush to reach. So I'm trying this, see how that goes instead. Alright, checking in. I've done 2 coats on the back tire. I'm looking good. I'm gonna move on to the front and then I'll be done. I got to get the heater on because it's cold as dirt. But yeah, almost done. That's welding. Them off in the oven. Alright, you guys, I'm all done. Here's a quick walk around.
You sound like you were starved if that's the only thing you guys had coming on.
Oh, I'm so happy. I just can't wait till it dries.
But that's all you need is the body.
Happy.
I didn't think they
It looks so good. And it's bright too. It's picking up really well on the camera. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.